Oh, hey, bunny. He has really big ears, though, so I almost feel like he's a hare. He wanted to say goodbye to us. Hi.
Hi.
It's our last moments in our hotel, and the bunny came by. We get to go hang out in the town all day, for the most part. Everything's been put in the car. So, Mike's mom had to go off. I kind of explained this already, but she had to go off with his brothers and his dad, and they're gonna drive over to the car that broke down, get that towed home with a couple of the brothers, one being an adult going with them, and then she's gonna come back here and get us, and then we're all gonna drive back. Yeah. So today is full of driving for her, and we just get to hang out in town until they're back. So, like, I mean, I can't complain about that. It sounds like fun. So that's what we get to do today. Got a cute little patterning over here. We saw this random gift shop over here we're gonna check out. Walking towards the water. Look at the misty mountains all around us. Ooh, look at this little cove over here. Wow. We have the captain and the sea goddess. Cool. How awesome is that? There's a ferry area. That's a dock, and then
Down there doesn't seem good.
yeah, I'm very interested. I mean, we have all the time in the world probably, so we can just explore whatever we want while we wait. Look at this, we found a little bench over here with an overlook. Wow, this is very gorgeous, like, wow. I wanted to see if we'd see any animals, but I don't know. They're seagulls. They count. It's windy out here, though. Hopefully I won't lose my sunglasses. Mermaid. The lighting's so bad because it's so overcast. Hello, mermaid. Over here. Looks like an octopus, a giant octopus taking, yeah, giant squid maybe. No, it's a giant octopus. That's pretty cool. Taking down a lighthouse. Aw, cute. It's marked by Kraken of Cape Hingingbrook. Hinchinbrook. That's a really cool detail. We're gonna go up there. We did it after a lot of stairs, but hey, worth it. Looks like there's a little lookout over there. Probably really cool over there. Convention center. The ferry dock where we were earlier. Oh yeah, I'm out of breath. The misty mountains. Hey, look, a chair. Okay, now there's our little thing. There's our path to go down. I feel like we're in the Shire or something.
I really like this on our feet.
No, I'm not barefoot right now. Yeah, they just have little trails for days around here, it seems. This brings us to the other side of this pond, which is the way we were going anyways, so how cool. There's a waterfall over there. Oh god. Cool, huh? They have these little cabins people can rent. We decided to walk to the mountain. Because why not? We have nothing else to do. We did hear from his mom though. She's on her way back, but it will still take a while. She went over to the Safeway that's in that direction. And then we just like, let's walk to the mountain, and now we're gonna walk back to the actual town. This is what we do. This is a very interesting bird. Like, it's like white feathers, almost looks like a crow, but isn't.
It's like a magpie.
Oh my god.
I think.
Cool. What a cute bird. First, here's our view. And second of all, we're exhausted now. The car is on its way back, thankfully. And I'm very glad, even though it has been fun. Just not too much of this town, but we explored everything we pretty much could. So we just have to wait about probably an hour, maybe less now, for his mom to get back over here. I go get coffee after a little while. We'll see. But in the meantime, we're gonna enjoy the view here and just kind of like sit, because we've been on our feet walking around since like noon. Okay, I guess we stopped and ate for a little bit, but other than that. Yep. I like looking at the mountains. They're so cool.
Or half hour.
Maybe. We found another space to hang out at with our coffees, and we're just hanging out with the seagulls. Hi. Mine? Is that offensive? Mike just brought up a really good point. So over here is a fish cleaning station. Right there is a fish cleaning station, and then they put a lot of the scraps there. They just return back to nature, you know what I mean? And like this is like a Seagull Restaurant. So I was sitting there saying, I wish I could see one of them go pick up a fish right here, but then why would you, when you could have free pieces of fish that get left that are from when people cleaned the fish. So cool. Oh, did that one just knock him off? No, he's okay. They're so majestic as they fly.
Yeah, it is.
We were up there and now we came down here. Okay. Tea. Wow, he come over by the water because there's nothing else to do right now. He's grabbing his coffee. Got it?
Yep.
Okay. This is nice. This feels good. Watch out for poop. Sort of like the poop zone. Probably won't talk anymore. Oh. They're so cute when they just walk around. Why are birds just the cutest things? What kind of bird is that? They have they have orange beaks. And they were making really interesting squeaky sounds. They make that sound. Can I get it? Yeah, almost. Oh man, it's too backlit. Even if I get a good shot, it doesn't do a good job capturing it. Nature galore. Look at this big bunny. Huge. Oh, there's more than one. Oh my god. I don't want to scare them. Hi, bunnies. Hope they stay safe. Are those also hairs? Hard for me to tell the difference. Such big ears. I wish I could pet them. You can tell that they have like a thicker layer of fur than you see in bunnies in our area, which makes sense. They're so cute. Wow. After further analysis, I'm pretty sure this might be the mama and this is the baby because they're staying close together. Yeah. Goodbye, bunnies. Goodbye, seagulls. We just got a phone call and they're pretty much almost here, so we're gonna go meet them at the Safeway we were at, and yeah. So goodbye, Valdez, for now. Don't know if I'll return. Maybe. I mean, probably. I don't know. I'm sure we'll see. We've been picked up. There's a Tristan. Look at the glacier. A glacier. Wow. Ooh. Get a bit closer. Subscribe. Thank you, Tristan. You're the best. He does a better job at it than I do. Ooh, yeah. Oh god, my finger, sorry. So cool. stopping by this beautiful waterfall. Yeah, look at it. There's a bunch of them everywhere. Hello, I'm very tired. I was sort of asleep, sort of not, but we are now at a big gas station. They have a little gift section. They have snacks, of course, but we're just looking around, stretching our legs. I think we're halfway home. I don't know, because the time is messed up in my brain because of when we were coming here. I don't know how long it really takes altogether. So it was total 5 hours, but then we got stuck with traffic and construction, so I don't know about that. So we'll see. Can't see me very well, but it happened again. I don't know what's going on, but our cars just don't do well in this area. So we have an uncle that is coming from where we're headed, picking us up, which is like 2 hours away, but like we've been waiting for a while, so hopefully he'll be here soon. I can't believe this happened again. I'm like, it's one of those days. It's really hot in the car, but there's so many mosquitoes outside that you don't want to go out there. Actually, it feels kind of nice to put my head against the window. Hello, I'm very tired today. It's actually almost like 6 o'clock at night, or 6 o'clock in the evening. Yeah, so we got home last night at like 4 a.m. and ate some cup of noodles and then slept. And Mike and I did not get up till like noon. So yeah, that was interesting. I can't believe that ended up happening again. We waited for a while to be picked up by Mike's uncle, and it's like a really long trip. So it took like 2.5 hours for him to get to us, and then we had to drive 2.5 hours home. But we made it. We're safe. We were all good. I'm so happy about that. And now we're just like chilling and relaxing and trying to like, you know, recuperate. And hopefully the cars are going to be fixed. And we do still plan to go on another little trip in a couple of days. We'll see how it goes depending on how well the car gets fixed and all that stuff. We're going to go up to this area called, I think Seward is what it's called. And they have a big aquarium there. And Mike's been wanting to take me there for a very long time. So I'm really, really hoping we're able to do it still. Even though I'm kind of nervous just because cars and what happened to 2 different cars. But hey, these things happen. We had each other, we had people to help us, we had family to help us, so it all worked out in the end. So I just wanted to come on here and conclude the video, let you all know that we made it and we're good. And I hope you enjoyed the vlog and the trip. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.